NCP leader from Garo Hills, Saleng Sangma, has expressed his disappointment over the misuse of government schemes in the state. He said that in a recent case, a person was given distributing dummy cheques in Garo Hills in the absence of any government officials. He said that he has already lodged a complaint with the Deputy Commissioner on the matter. He also questioned as to how can public servants be unaware and allow any individual to distribute government schemes.
They are bringing the piglets, like that piglet was given by the center under the backward livelihood program. Okay, backward livelihood program by the center. But I don't know why these individuals are carrying the piglets on their own, even the, even the poultry also. Whereas if they want to distribute, the block wants to distribute, there should be a, proper arrangement. There should be a selections. Who are the poor people? Who are the BPL people?
UDP working president